Alright guys, we got a new build here coming up. We got some really beautiful 120 wall 2-inch boiler tubing. Very nice stuff, very nice stuff. Good high carbon steel, good stuff. We got some really nice bends in it. We got this 3/8 2x4 plate that was graciously given to me by Tommy LaCarvo. I want to thank him very much. Seeing as how I don't have much money. And I would also like to thank the gentleman that saw to getting me these boiler tubes. I'd like to thank them very much. You know who you are. Thank you very much. Very, very much. This is good 120 wall superheat tube, all pre-bent. They were like leftover, and they got rust on the inside of them, and once that happens, that's pretty much you have to condemn them. So good for me. But I do want to thank those guys so much. This is going to be really cool. I need a welding table, but I need a welding table out of that 3/8 plate, but I need the feel of 1 inch to 1.5 inch plate. So I do really want a really ornate table, really cool looking. We got some really good bends here. We got some really nice bends, and like I said, I don't have any money. I do have a nice shop, but that doesn't mean anything. I don't have any money. But thank you so much. I'm very gracious in that. These are not 90-degree bends, as you can see that, so we're going to have to work this out. But we do want to do a really nice table. We want to make these guys proud, and we're going to do it. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, you other guys. You know who you are. And I'm going to do y'all proud. We're going to make a really nice table here. Really ornate, really nice. I want the feel of 1.5 inch to 2 inch thick plate out of 3/8. The only way we're going to do that is to really do a lot of bracing, but really cool bracing. We're going to actually have my tube notcher goes up to 2 inch, and this is actually 2-inch OD. So yeah, this is going to be this is going to be really, man. To get my shop started, I do need a good welding table, and I've got stuff I got to put on my anvil, which I'm still building that. That's going to go on there on a special adapter plate, and yeah, this is very cool. I mean, these are very gracious people that did this, so we're going to make them proud. We're gonna make us a really nice welding table. So hang in there, guys. We're getting to the kayak motors, but I've got to get this shop up to where it should be. I got to do the DROs and everything on that, but I got to get all this. There's some other stuff I got to do with this first before I do that. So hey, that's some nice stuff right there, guys. That's good stuff. Anybody knows anything about boiler tubes knows that that's good, high quality stuff. So just to let y'all know, I ain't forgot y'all or nothing like that. We got a build coming up on a weld table. I gotta de-rust that one, and that's gonna be one part of it naturally, but man, these are some nice tubes here. So really sweet stuff. So I just got them today, so we're gonna be getting on this quick, get this table build done, so we can get the anvil and all that set on it, my vise and all that. And then once that's done, then of course this thing's got to be movable. I got to be able to roll it around. So we're gonna have to have flip-up wheels on it and stuff like that, or something. I'm not sure. If y'all got any ideas, let me know, because I need to be able to move it. It's not a stationary item. So if you got any suggestions, hit me up, give me a comment, hit like, hit subscribe, please. There's some cool stuff going down here. So that's it. And like I said, it's 2x120 wall. So that's cool. The OD is 2 inch, and my tube notcher will notch this really pretty. So we're gonna get some pretty results out of this thing. Not really sure how I'm going to do it. I got some ideas going around in my head, but I really want it ornate. I really want it pretty. I really want it nastily pretty, but I still want to feel a good support on that 3/8 plate, because the 3/8 plate is not really thick enough for a really good weld table, but I think we can make it really good for a weld table if we brace this thing properly, not just tube and stuff like that. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for hanging in there, guys. It's been tough. Like I said, I don't have much money, and thank you so much for these guys for donating all this. I really do. And thank you very much, Tommy. So, and that's it. We're going to get started with this. We're going to get it down. We're going to get to it.